Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation: O son of Pritha, do not yield to this degrading impotence. It does not become you. Give up such petty weakness of heart, and arise, O chastiser of the enemy.
Bhagavan Krishna is encouraging Kuddam Hridayadadbal. For a Kshatriya to speak like that, no, I cannot kill my kinsman, I am giving my offense. This is weakness, cowardice. Why you are all this nonsense doing? Khuddam Hridayadadbalam. This kind of compassion, giving up your duty as a Kshatriya, it is simply weakness of the heart. It has no meaning. Kalbang masmagama parthya naita tvai upavattati. Especially for you. You are my friend. What people will say? So, give up this weakness of the heart and uttishta, stand up, take courage. You just see how Krishna is inducing Arjuna to fight. The people are very much ignorant, and they sometimes criticize that Krishna is exciting Arjuna. He is very gentleman, non-violent, and Krishna is exciting him to fight. This is called Jaradarshan. Jaradarshan. Jaradarshan means material vision. Therefore, Shastra says, Atah Sri Krishna Namadi na bhaved grahyam indriyai. Sri Krishna Namadi. We become in touch with Krishna by chanting his name. Hare Krišna. That is the beginning of our connection with Krishna. Nama. The Shastra says, Atah Sri Krishna Namadi. Adi means begin. So we have no connection with Krishna. But if we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, immediately our first chance to contact Krishna begins. So it has to be practiced. Not that immediately I realize Krishna. That is not. Of course, if one is advanced, it is possible immediately. So, Sri Krishna Nam Adi. Nam means name. So Krishna is not only name, Adi, that is the beginning, but form, activities. Just like Savanam Kirtanam. The Savanam Kirtanam glorifying or describing about Krishna. So he has got his form. So Nam means name, and then Roop means form. Nam, Roop, Lila means pastimes. Gun means quality. Entourage, his associates, all this. Atah Sri Krishna Namadi na bhavet grahyam indriya. By ordinary senses, we cannot understand. Either Sri Krishna's name, we are hearing through the oral reception, Krishna's name, but if we keep our ear without purification. Of course, by hearing it will be purified. We have to help. Help means to avoid the offenses, 10 kinds of offenses. So, in this way, we shall help the purificatory process. Just like if I want to ignite fire, so I must help the igniting process by drying the wood. It will very soon get fire. Similarly, simply chanting, that will help also. It will take time. But if we avoid the offenses, then it will be very quickly purified. The action will be there. Hare Krišna, Krishna Krishna,